Trader, 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 IWF. We all know what that is. IWF, that had a big downside, okay, and it did. And we know it's the Russell 1000 Growth Fund, or the 1000, and then we also have the 2000. IWF is the bellwether. That one is the 1000, the Russell 1000 versus the Russell 2000. This had a nice pop. We're right up at a major top. Let's take a look at it. October 1, we're giving out all kinds of specials. You got a chance to make money on very little money. You can act now today. Buy now, pay later program. Yes, it's affordable. Yes, you can take advantage. I'm showing the IWF. It has a lot. It's the top 1,000 stocks, and we have a 3-day reversal. Remember, the bull in the IWF has been as strong as we've ever seen it. And it has. I mean, this thing has rallied to the top, and it was overbought. Then it faded. But the bull is still in it, but we think there's a good size pullback, and I can show everybody where we think that pullback will be. It's very simple. We think there's a good probability that in the month of October, we're going to see profit taking. And the bull has been on fire. We have October 1, you got all kinds of site free alerts. You got buy now, pay later. You don't have any money in the market. You don't have a way to invest. You don't have a way to partake. But we give you that opportunity to partake. And we do. And you can pick whatever you want. We have a market that you get paid 5 to 1 on profits. You're not getting that. Options are dollar for dollar. I don't care who you are. You don't have to have no credit check. You don't have to have no stock account open. You can get involved right now. Take advantage of the program. Take advantage of October. Buy now, pay later. You make benefits. You get free updates. You get lots of things. You don't have the money to be in the market. You do now.